$187,000. That's the price of the Noovo Plus, a completely self-sustaining 4-person luxury camper van, engineered for full-time off-grid living. But is it worth it? Well, let's find out.
Hey shady baby, I'm hot like the prodigal son.
In this video, we're breaking down 6 key features and reasons why we think the Noovo Plus is worth every last penny. So you ready? Let's dive in. Alright, look, $187,000 is a lot of money, no matter which way you try to shake it. So, instead of trying to convince you otherwise, I'm just going to try to make it make sense. So, first up, the chassis. The Noovo Plus is built on the latest Ram ProMaster super high roof with a 159-inch extended wheelbase. At nearly 21 feet long and offering 7 feet of interior clearance, it maximizes space, functionality, and comfort inside the van. But that's not all. Because you're getting a new ProMaster, you'll also get Apple CarPlay, adaptive cruise control, a surround view camera, blind spot monitoring, crosswind assist, and a bunch of other modern safety features. Combine that with smooth handling, solid factory warranty, and low maintenance costs, and you've got the perfect platform for a luxury camper. Alright, I know it sounds like I'm just gassing up the ProMaster by rattling off facts from Google, but trust me, I've worked with over 20 ProMasters in the last 4 years, and none of which have ever had any serious issues. But wait, don't believe me? Check out our over 200 5-star renter reviews across Google and Outdoors. And yep, you guessed it. All vans built on the Ram ProMaster chassis. Starting price for a new Ram ProMaster 3500 with a super high roof, $57,000. Alright, moving on to one of my personal favorites, Starlink satellite internet connectivity. And while this does cost a little extra, in my opinion, it's well worth it. Okay, let's be honest. If you are anything like me, you have to stay connected. Why? Well, because we gotta get done. And that's okay. And you know what? It's also not so bad watching a little Netflix before bed. Alright, all jokes aside, connectivity is crucial for digital nomads. And the Noovo Plus delivers big time in this department. Whether you're in the mountains or the desert, as long as you have a clear view of the sky, you'll have reliable, high-speed Wi-Fi. That being said, if you're familiar with Starlink, you're probably thinking, but Starlink uses a ton of power. Well, you're right. But here's the best part. The Noovo Plus is equipped with a powerful 660 amp hour lithium battery system that can handle constant Starlink use. I put it to the test by living and working completely off-grid for 3 days, and it passed with flying colors. No interruptions, no compromises. Okay, so having high-speed Wi-Fi anywhere will be valued differently by everyone, but we'll put some real dollar amounts to the next couple of checkpoints, so stick with me. And this brings us to reason number 3, the home-like amenities built into the Noovo Plus. This includes AC, heating, water, power, you name it, the Noovo Plus has got it. And there's a lot to unpack here, so let's dive in. So, unlike traditional Class B RV manufacturers, the Noovo Plus ditches outdated tech, like external generators or propane-powered refrigerators. This is all in favor of cutting-edge, fully electric systems. Every single component is thoughtfully chosen to maximize efficiency, sustainability, and off-grid capability without compromise. At the heart of the system is a 660 amp hour smart lithium battery pack by Lithionics, which provides unmatched reliability in any climate. Pair that with 400 watts of Renogy solar panels, 150 amp ACR alternator charger, shore power connections, and the Victron MultiPlus 3000 watt inverter. This setup ensures you have power anytime, anywhere, whether parked at an RV campground or living totally off-grid. Just the cost of the components included in this power system is around $12,000 alone. And that doesn't even include sales tax, wiring, tools, labor, and everything else that comes with building your own van. And as someone who has built their own van and dealt with the headaches that come with cheap components and DIY installation, yeah, I'd say so far the Noovo Plus is pretty worth it. Now on top of the power system, the Plus includes a Truma Aventa Eco, It's a roof-mounted air conditioning system which keeps you and your pup cool and comfortable even in the summer heat. And thanks to the robust battery system, you can run the AC overnight without needing to be plugged in.
Oh yeah!
And as for heating, you get the Rixon's MCS7 hydronic furnace system. This clever gasoline-powered furnace system feeds directly from the ProMaster's gas tank, providing on-demand hot water and continuous off-grid heating, so you can take on van life, ensuring off-grid comfort year-round. Cost for the AC and heating components, another $8,000. So just through 3 checkpoints, that brings us to a total DIY cost of $77,000. Alright, so in this video, we've covered the foundational features of the Noovo Plus. The chassis, internet connectivity, and the advanced power, heating, and air conditioning systems. There's still a lot more to unpack here, and I think I'd be doing you and the Noovo Plus a disservice if I try to cram it all into one video. So to ensure I don't get lazy and try to cut corners, we're going to break this up into a 2-part series. In part 2, we're diving into the craftsmanship and overall living experience, who this van is great for and why, and the Noovo Plus's RVIA certification and what that means for you. Plus, we'll finally answer the big question: is the Noovo Plus worth the price tag? Let me know in the comments, what's the most important feature you need in a camper van? Also, if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss part 2. There's also a lot more to the Noovo Plus that I just don't have time to dig into here. So, if you're interested in checking that out, hit the link in the description to watch my full tour on the Noovo Plus.